In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a message in MetaMask. First, you will want to open the website or dApp that is requesting your signature. This is crucial because the website or application you are using is where the signing process begins. When you open it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You should see a prompt or notification asking for your signature. This is the application requesting permission to verify your identity or to allow specific actions. Understanding where you are is key to ensuring your safety. Once you have the website open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, connect your MetaMask wallet. If you have not done this before, look for the MetaMask icon in your browser or on your mobile device. Clicking this icon will prompt a connection request. You will see a pop-up window showing your wallet details. This step is important because connecting your wallet allows the website to access your account information securely. It also ensures that you are the one signing the message. After confirming the connection, you will be set to proceed. Now select the option that asks you to sign or sign message. This option may appear in a button form or as a link on the website. By clicking this, you are initiating the signature process. The website needs this signature to authenticate your identity or to confirm an action. It is essential to know that this is a standard procedure for many decentralized applications. Once you have selected this option, you will be guided to the next part of the process. At this point, MetaMask will open with the message details. You will see the exact message that you are being asked to sign. This is a critical stage because it is your opportunity to review what you are approving. Pay close attention to the message as well as the website and account information displayed. This ensures that you are aware of what you are signing. If anything looks suspicious or unclear, this is your chance to back out. Remember, your awareness here is key to protecting your assets. Next, carefully review the website, account, and message. This review process cannot be overstated. Make sure that you recognize the website and that the message aligns with what you expect. If you trust the source and the message seems legitimate, you can feel confident proceeding. If you have any doubts, it's best to err on the side of caution. This step reinforces your security and helps prevent unauthorized actions. Once you are satisfied, you can confidently move on to the final action. Finally, select Sign to approve it. By clicking this button, you are granting your permission for the message to be signed. This action will finalize the process, and you should see a confirmation appear shortly thereafter. It's important to remember that signing a message can sometimes lead to actions involving your assets, so only sign messages you fully understand and trust. After selecting Sign, take a moment to appreciate that you have successfully completed the process. Remember, only sign messages you understand and trust. A malicious signature can sometimes be used to authorize actions involving your assets. By following these steps carefully, you can navigate the signing process in MetaMask safely and effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enhance your experience with MetaMask.